Welcome to Common Core Math. This is Grade 7, Module 2, Lesson 10. The focus of this lesson is on understanding multiplication of integers. We are going to look at problem 2 from the problem set. It reads, you have the integer card shown at the right, ours are actually below, when your teacher tells you to choose a card to multiply 4 times. If your goal is to get your score as close to 0 as possible, which card should you choose? Explain your choice. Explain how your choice changes your score. Well, if we wanted to see what our score is right now, which we don't have to, but if we want to, we would add up our cards. Whenever you have two numbers that you notice are opposites, you should add those first. So I'll add the -3 and +3, which means I'm back to 0. So I'm really only adding 5 and -4. So right now my score is 1. But I'm told that I have to take one of my 4 cards and multiply it by 4. So let's go one by one and let's start multiplying. Let's first start with multiplying the 5 by 4. If I multiply the 5 by 4, now that's 20. I'm just going to circle it so we'll remember that's the card we changed. Then we're adding on the -3, which are keeping the same, the -4, and the 3. Just like before, to make my life easier, I'll add the opposites of each other first. So all I'm really left with is 20 and -4, and I have a score of 16. Let's now try multiplying the second card. So now the 5 is back to as it was before. Now the -3 gets multiplied by 4, so that becomes -12, and the other cards remain the same. Now I don't have any opposites to add, so instead I'll add the positive ones together, the 5 and the 3, so that'll become 8. And then the negative ones together, the -12 and the -4, to become -16. So I have 8 minus 16, that's the same as 8 plus -16, or -8. So between the two, the score that's closest to 0 is the -8. So I know for sure that I am not going to be multiplying the first card. In fact, it's better to multiply the second card. But let's try the third card. Maybe that's even better. So if I multiply the third card, the 5 will stay 5, the -3 will stay -3. Now the 4 will now become -16, and then I'll keep the 3. I've now changed that card. Now, again, I have my opposites, -3 and 3, so they'll cancel out. So I really have 5 plus -16, or -11. Comparing that to the previous score, I see that's further away from 0, so that is not any better. My final possibility is to multiply the fourth card. So the 5 stays 5, -3 stays -3, -4 stays -4, and instead of 3, I'll have now 12. I don't have any opposites, so I'll put my positive ones together. 5 plus 12 is 17. My negative together, -3 and -4 is -7. And now I have a score of 10. When I compare that to the -8 I had before, that still is not close to 0. So the best score that I could get is a score of -8. It said, which card should I choose? So the card that I should choose would be the -3.